Well, hello, come on over. You're just in time for our picnic. Let's make a few practical movement fun together. We're gonna start by unloading our coolers from the truck. So only move at your own range of motion. Make sure to bend the knees, when you're lifting, bend the knees, right? Now, inhale your arms up. Maybe up is right here for you, and that's fine. Maybe up is higher, and grab that cooler. Here we go. Exhale, bend your knee, put it down. Back is as straight as possible. Oh, let's grab something else. Put it down. Other side. Grab something else. Big cooler full of beer. Lemonade and iced tea, of course. I'll have one later. A lemonade. Inhale up. Exhale down. Wow. Gosh. We need to put all that together. Everybody's here? Everybody's here? Just wave your friends here. Wave your family, your friends. Wave everybody. Yes, nice little wave here. Come on, come on. Come on. Inhale up. Bend the knees again. This time bring your bum as low as you can. When you can grab the ground, you can use it for support. Take a nice comfortable seat on your blanket, your mat. We're gonna have our picnic now. Oh my goodness. Let's start by grabbing things, putting away, take things out of the cooler. So open the cover, open the covers, open the covers. Same thing, just open all the little coolers covers. Take things out. And more stuff here. Nice little movement. Now grab this jar here and hold it tight. Hold it, make a fist. We're gonna use the other end and untwist the cover. See the nice little wrist rotation here? Just move your wrist, open that cover. It's stuck. Let's try the other hand. Make a fist. Stabilize your jar. And let's try to open it this way. There. Yeah. There. Take some of that jam out. This is great if you type a lot when you go at your picnic. Yes. Both sides. And just reach for the bread, reach for the butter, reach for the coconut. Reach. Now we're gonna use the opposite end because we need to brace ourselves. It's a little further away. It's a little further away. Oh. Nice little motions here. Oh, that feels good. Oh. Now let's pick the ends. Let's pick the ends of our blanket. They joined our picnic. As usual, that's what ants do. Spread your finger wide. Picking up your ants, poof, flick them to another territory. Pick, flip, pick, flip, pick, flick, flick. Maybe at the same time, flick. Maybe just one ant is flicking ants. Got you. You got me back. Of course, we like having fun too. Now let's make our sandwich. Bread with some slice of anything you like, avocado, ham, whatever is your thing. And let's pile it high. Here is for you. Let's make another one. Let's make another one. Nice big sandwich this high. Here, that's for you. I'm gonna put my hand down, bring my elbow a little closer to my picnic blanket, and just reach here. Maybe I'm giving you something, maybe I'm picking something. Oh, other side, hey, right there. Hey, look over there. Over there. Ah, nice shoulder roll here. Eating all the good food. Oh, so nice, so nice. Let's look what's behind us here. If we forgot something, put your hands for a little support. Just look what's going on. Oh, the sun is out. It's totally blue. There's no cloud that I can see in the sky. Beautiful flower field, perfect for a picnic. Inhale up, exhale, other side. We're next to the woods, the forest. It's gorgeous, gorgeous place for a picnic. Maybe you're indoor doing your picnic. You can imagine you're right here with me. I'm imagining you with me, so I'm not just talking to myself. Oh my goodness. Let's go on our knees. Oh, just sit on them for a moment. Make sure you're comfy here. We're not going to be there super long, so maybe inhale up, arms are up. Hi, sun. Hi. Hi, birds. Hi, everything. Hello. Caltapa trees with no leaves yet. No, it's not that. It's coming back. Oh, let's bring our hands forward. Exhale there. Inhale, press your hand up. Exhale back on your blanket. You forgot something here. We're packing things. And come back. One more time. Maybe inhale up. Exhale. Come forward. This time, I want you to put your weight into your entire hands. Just not just your wrist, but your fingertip too. Yeah, maybe turning in the elbows. Bring your knees away. Like you're gonna go in the down dog, because that's pretty much what we're doing next. Just breathe here, press in your hands. Press. My toes are tucked under. I'm gonna lift my knees just to get the feel of it. When you're ready, next time you lift your knee, you're gonna press in your hand, press your bum back. Ooh, like a little down dog here. Keep your knees bent if you want. It's all good. We're gonna start walking towards our hands. And now you're gonna picture a little ant crawling on the lower back. The hand goes marching, no. And as the hands are marching up your back, you're unfolding it at the same time. So the hands go marching one by one. Ore. La la. Last. Before last is the shoulder, and last is your head, neck. Coming back up. Wow, this was super fun. We have to put everything away, but you know what? It's not really there, so we'll skip the cleaning up part. That's the beauty of yoga, right? My name is Anne-Marie. I am the yoga storyteller with That's Life Yoga. My videos are meant to stack, so pick yourself a few more of your choice. Make it your own practice. Keep going for at the length that you want. And until I see you there, I want to wish you a wonderful rest of the day, and namaste.